follow. I need to send that one to my girls. They're waiting on WhatsApp. Send that, please.
I'm not the bride. I'm the bride's friend.
What is the mirror? Oh, okay.
Today you guys are going to be coming with me as I get my bride ready for her wedding, her court wedding today. We are at Oxford and we are at this beautiful apartment. I'll show you guys like a quick tour of the place. But yeah, my outfit of the day, I'm wearing these beautiful pants from Primark. This top's from Primark. My shoe is upstairs. Okay. Well, that's the outfit of the day. So come along with me as I get the bride ready. But we're going to start with Sandra. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, you too.
I'm not the bride. I'm the bride's friend.
So yes, this is the setup and we're ready. So this is not the first time Sandra is sitting on my seat, but today we're doing something different with her face. She wanted something very light and simple, and that's what she got. Now to the reason why we are here, Bride Cynthia. So Cynthia contacted me for her makeup look and also to style her hair. When I meant you guys are going to come in with me to get this bride ready together, I went every step. So I was just cleaning her forehead with alcohol and I went ahead to place the frontal wig on her head and I was explaining to her here what we're going to be doing. By the way, this wig is customized and styled ready. Afterwards, I went ahead and applied the lace glue and I used the hairdryer to dry it down as you can see and then put the frontal on. And yeah, that's it, installed. So we went through several steps afterwards, but I'm not going to bore you with all of that. But you guys, Sandra was so helpful on that day. So yeah, thank you, Sandra. So we started off with the skin prep for our makeup because I mean, you need a perfect base for your makeup to last the whole day. And for a perfect skin prep, you need your moisturizer, your primer, your setting spray before you go in with your foundation. Do not forget to dry down all these products before you apply the next product. Yeah, as you can see, I've applied and I've blended the foundation and I used my blending beauty blender. I've also gone in to set my face with the setting spray and I'm using the one from Mario Badescu. I have also applied my cream contour and my concealer. You guys, I feel like this video is going faster than I'm even talking. But you guys, I'm still using my beauty blender like I always do. If you watch my tutorials, you should know by now. So please, if you watch my tutorials and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Right. So I went in and applied a lighter concealer just to brighten her under eye a little bit because this bride was very detailed. She said she wanted something that would maintain her shade, which is her color, her beautiful dark skin, and she also wanted something that will pop, like shiny pop. And you know, yeah, I think we delivered that. No, we actually delivered that, but yeah, you guys will know at the end. Anyways, I've gone ahead to apply her setting powder, and you know the first step with your setting powder is to set it in and not to bake. So we have done that, and I'll go ahead and apply her powder, the shade of her skin, all round, and then I'll still go back with my powdered products to lock in all the cream products I applied earlier on. So you already know how it works. The cream first and then the powdered products. So anyways, we're going in now with the eye. With the eye, she wanted something matte before, but we changed our minds, or she changed her mind last minute and wanted a bit of, you know, a shine. Like I said, she wanted shiny, but now with the eyes, she was open to using either pigments or glitters. But yeah, we did something nice. But first off, I went in with a lighter brown as her base to apply on her eyelid, and then I went over it with my browns. For my brown eyeshadow, I'm using the eyeshadow palette from Annie's Beauty. If you don't know that eyeshadow palette now, I do not know what you're doing, but yeah, Annie's Beauty eyeshadow palette in Meet the Browns is what I used, and I went in with a dark brown and then I built it up slowly and got my perfect shade, which is like a darker deep brown, if not black. So yeah, after building my browns, I still went in with black because I wanted to smoke out her eyes. This video might not be as detailed as my other makeup tutorials, but I just wanted you guys to see the behind the scenes of what goes on a bridal morning, and that's why I did this for you guys. But anyways, I went in with glitters and pigments. I mixed both, to be fair, and I got a perfect shade, which is what you're seeing at the moment. Then I went in with my black again for under her eyes to smoke that out. For her lips, I just did something that looked like her natural lips, which is using like a darker brown liner to outline her lips. And then I went in with this lipstick from MAC. I can't remember the name, and just popped it, but it's a nude shade of lipstick, and I applied a bit of pink just to give it that pop, like, you know, like what you're seeing right now. And I went ahead to spray my face with my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. After that, I locked it in with my setting spray from Sopro as well. This is the final look. I've applied her lip gloss, and we were just about to show her what she looked like, because I mean, you guys, we did not let her see her face all through, and now she's about to see what she looks like and approve of the makeup. By the way, I don't know if you can tell that she teared up on the right side of her face, and we covered that up at first, but she did again, but we still had to cover it up after it dried down. Do you see any difference? So yeah, this is the reveal.
Okay. Oh.
Do you love your makeup?
Yeah, instead of dark makeup, I like.
It's like a doll.
Like subtle. Funny enough, I like my lipstick too.
Yeah. You see?
Oh god, no, but this makeup is actually very cute.
Thank you.
Okay, no, this makeup is actually very cute. I love it.
Okay.
Okay, you guys have heard from my bride, and you can tell that she was very excited. She kept on repeating that she loved the makeup separately. But yeah, I'm so happy that she did. Now to the hair. So we're going to finalize the hair and just like give you a full review. But before you guys see the final review, this is the part where I'll say pause your video and please like, subscribe, share, comment, and of course, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, babes.
Please, let me, I like the makeup.
Without editing.
I'm happy you love your makeup.
I'm not smoothing. I've not done anything. No,
I need to send that one to my girls. They're waiting on WhatsApp. Sandra, please collect that one and send it to my girls on WhatsApp.
Stop instead, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know you win, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. Fist full of diamonds, a head full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love so beautiful. Love you, love you, love you. Baby, you
Details. Get the details.